This guy's going to test 4 levels of power to find the breaking point of a standard VW window. This is level 1. What he's using is a 500-gram steel ball, and he's slowly increasing the power of his throws. So we're going to see 4 different levels, guys. When do you think a standard window would break? So a steel ball is absolutely fine to throw at your window if you're okay with a few scratches. Alright, now level 2. He's got a 1.5 kilo hammer. He'll start just with a little bit of power. Just a baby hit. And then slowly start increasing again. Nothing. What's it going to take to break this window? He turned his face away. He thought definitely it was going to smash that time. Alright, level 3. He's now got a hammer that weighs almost 5 kilos. Do you reckon this is going to do it? Yes. One smash and she's out. But now he's actually going to rebuild the window. And he's going to use high strength materials to see if it then can withstand a blow from that same 5 kilogram hammer. So he's got the standard window there. He's applying a 1.5 millimeter metallized tint to the inside of the window, letting that set, and then he applies a 4 millimeter safety film on the exterior of the window. And this is apparently one of the formulas for making armored glass. Let's see if this window can now withstand a 5 kilogram hammer being swung at it. What do you guys reckon? He's going back to the steel ball, okay. Yeah, no damage whatsoever. Look how far back it throws him. It looks like he's about to fall. Wow, it totally repels it. That's pretty cool. I wish smartphone glass could take a hit like this.